let's recap what just happened the last time we were here in Contagious Cube.
I heard you on Mr. Cube Shop? Yeah, man. What do you want? Here.
What's that one?
Oh, that one's not important. Don't touch it. Are you okay, man? You look a little green there around the gills. Yeah, man. I just don't feel so great right now. You know how it is. Yeah. Huh? Oh wait, he's got my cube! Hey, I told you a million times, it's time to do your physics test. Hey, you've been doing that for the last 2 days. It's time for you to do something actually productive. Yo, nah, it's not my problem to solve. It's your problem now. Hopefully that kid's not important. Huh? Where am I? Where did everybody go? Hello? Go. Let's see what's important. Why is this out from the rest of all these unimportant cubes? Bro, is this like worth $1 million or something? Yeah, let's go then. Grab a few other cubes just in case. Did you get the gold, man? Yeah, man. You know I did. Look at all this. Are you joking with me right now? No, man. Why else would he keep these cubes out of his collection? Huh? I mean, we could probably take these stuff to a pawn shop sometime. They gotta be worth something, man. It's just a 3x3! Why? Dude, this is worth nothing, I tell you. Nothing! We can at least get something out of it, man. Fine, I'll humor you this once, you idiot. Dude. Somebody stole the 3x3. Mystical Cube Shop, dude, I'm back. It's always great to see a former. Not you, I'm done with you. Fine, what is it? It's about the 3x3. Nope, I told you that was your problem now. Somebody stole it. You fool. Do you know what the world could be in if you just did that? Oh, shoot, they can manufacture it. You might have just doomed the whole world. Bro, I got you the good stuff. Yeah, I heard you liked Rubik's Cubes, right, man? Maybe not. We'll try these things out. They feel nice, like, look at that. Yeah, that's gotta be worth something, right? Your humor is not appreciated, but we might still try to see what they are, shall we? Good, turning 2x2. I suspect, probably. a regular GAN 2x2. Nothing special. Judging by how cold it is, I could say this is probably a Rubik's Phantom and nothing to be too excited about. But I say you could probably sell this for about $10 and this for about 2. Now, I feel something about this one. What is it?
Does that mean you like the cubes? Man? Dude, give me that back and
That power. It's remarkable. I think we could make a deal with that. How about you? Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, let's make a deal. Like $5,000?
Deal. Now I'm gonna get my servant, my twin, to come and take the cube. By my judgment, he should be the only person in the world who should be unaffected by the cube's power. He is blind, therefore, the effects of the cube have no effect because they only happen visually. You see. Let's go find a way to manufacture this. I've got it. Start the production line. Now. It's finished. Good.
Now, for my ultimate plan to manipulate every one of my foes or whatever to touching these things to get whatever I want.
Yes, that's how we'll do it.
Check out these amazing cubes, everybody. You can get these all for $5. Yes, these cubes are made with magnets, best turning, all beekeepers out there. Come and get them. Yes, come. Yeah. Fine, I admit you're right. Good going, though. Now he's going to take over the whole world with those cubes of his. Hello, welcome to the mystical cube shop. What do you want?
I want none of your cubes. You've been holding out on me since the last time I've been here. This thing. You really are powerfuler than the cubes you sell on your shelf. That's why I am going to take over your cube shop and do it the way that you would have if you were smart enough and strong enough.
Do you think I'm just going to hand over my mystical cube?
I am in charge now. And the first thing I am going to do is add the contagious 3x3s to the shelves. Come get your Rubik's Cubes before they come to consume your lives, world. You, there, in the corner. Would you like my new 3x3 product for the shop?
Where's the other guy? And you're the person who took the Rubik's Cube from my house.
So, it was you then who originally had the 3x3. Unfortunately for you, I have it now. Come take it, if you can.
You happy?
You're a wise little boy, but wisdom will not save you from death. Yet. Anyway.
Whoa, was that a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? I never... Take that, you loser. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Still need to start his place on fire. Wait. You burned down my shop. Kidding me? Well, I guess it did stop mass producing them, but still. And that guy? Burned to the fire with him? Okay. Well, that should be a relief. I will be back. It's not as comedic as I hoped it would have been, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to like and subscribe to see the fun and hilarious part 3 that's coming out soon.